Here's what a fella did. Drove 2 hours earlier today to buy this old truck. So try to get this thing running and going, and well, I didn't make it. I did make it 10 minutes, so that ain't bad. And the old girl died. Whoever had it, all the wires are wrong, the distributor cap, the points are messed up. So I went ahead, and we're at O'Reilly's in Bunn, North Carolina. Keep going on the way. You gotta go toward the sign. Bunn, O'Reilly in Bunn, North Carolina. So I got a friend of mine coming to throw this thing on the back of the trailer and pull me home. I'm gonna have to tear it apart big time. But other than that, we got the old girl. Don't look bad. Walk around and show them the truck, Thomas. 1971. Go around to the back, show them everything. So this is the beginning. We're gonna fix the old girl up. Old truck. God. Used to be able to open here. 460. I got it fired up a few minutes ago, but it's so far off because whoever got all these spark plug wires on the wrong cylinders. So the well timing's all off. I'm gonna have to go through and get it all straight when I get it home. As for now, it's getting late. He's on his way. I ain't gonna mess with it no more. But thank y'all for watching. Stay tuned.